Right now I'm using the stock halogen headlamp, the bulb that comes with the i20, the previous gen version, and this is the throw of the headlamp, the bulb. This is in pitch darkness, and this is the throw in high beam. Now I'll turn on the fog lamps as well. In a second I'll show you how it looks like from the front. This is how the standard setup looks like from the front. You can see the yellowness of the bulb in the headlamp. This is of course in low beam. Right now the throw might look adequate considering it's pitch dark, but seriously when you're driving on highways it's a menace driving with these below par headlamps. So I have decided to upgrade. For another perspective, this is how it looks while driving, the standard halogen headlamp. Once again it's pitch darkness. You can see the yellowness of the bulb. It's an H4 unit that comes standard with the car. This is in high beam. This is low beam. Now I'll show you the upgrade when I install the new headlamp bulbs. These are Philips H4 Racing Vision unit. These are a little whiter than the current one I'm using. So these are the new bulbs that I ordered. They're called the Philips Racing Vision, and I ordered it from Amazon. I got it for around 1770 bucks, I guess. And as you can see on the box, it sits around 3400 to 3500 on the Kelvin scale. So it's not the bluey white that you get from LED bulbs. It's a little yellowish in color, but not as yellow as the standard halogen headlamp that comes with the i20. And this is the H4 unit. Mind you, your car might use a different type of bulb, so please go through your manual once and do confirm. Okay, so finally I've got the bulbs fitted, and for a comparison, here is how the bulb throw looks like. This is low beam and this is high beam. As you can see, it's a little on the whiter side. For a comparison, I've turned on the fog lamps. These are the OEM units, so you can see that these are a little yellowish in color, same as the previous bulb, and the new bulb is a little whiter and of course brighter as well. This is how the front looks. I'll turn off the fog lamps to show a clearer image as well. So these are how the bulbs look. They are certainly brighter than the stock units that came with the car. This is the throw. You can see the whiteness of the bulb. For verdict, let's cut to the chase. I don't think the Philips Racing Vision is worth 1700 or 1800 bucks. The price that is offered on Amazon. If you can get it a little cheaper, if it's around 1200 or 1300 at max, I think it would be a very good upgrade, considering the fact that it's one of the easiest upgrades that you can do. You can do it yourself as well. I'm sure there are a lot of DIY videos online how to change the bulb. So it's a decent, I guess, budget friendly upgrade that that is pretty necessary if you're driving on highways, if you're driving in not so well lit areas and low on budget, and if you still are looking to upgrade your headlamps, I think it's the best solution to get better bulbs rather than getting expensive headlamp upgrades with projector setups and LED units. I think these are pretty decent bulbs. The only negative factor is that the price, I think, is little on the higher side. 1300 would at max would be a good deal, a pretty sweet deal. Overall, I'd rate the Philips Racing Vision H4 bulbs at around 3 or 3.5 out of 5. So yeah, that's it. I'll keep it short. Thanks for watching.